Hey, welcome everyone. I am your government and economics teacher, Mr. Estrada. Unless you are a stranger who likes to watch random videos, then I am just a guy, and in that case, this is a quick video tutorial to our video lectures. We are in a time where everything is new, no one knows what they're doing, and this is where confusion and frustration and chaos are born. But it's also a place where leaders and community shine. And I like to argue this is where the functions of our society, government, and economics are most essential to our safety and well-being. So there are two things you should know. One, everything's on Google Classroom. All the assignments, videos, slideshows, links to websites are up and organized by topic of the week. Two, check your school email daily. This is where you get reminders of things that are due. Every week I will post a video lecture or two. I want you to watch them. If the videos don't work, I will also post a PowerPoint lecture that would have normally been used in class. The problem is there's no commentary by me. Or that's a plus. It's absolutely up to you. I want you to take notes, which is why I'm also leaving up a notes template. Whatever is in yellow on the notes template means that it's been used on AP tests before. Whatever is in purple, that means it's a question that has been asked by someone in class. Now you can watch the video or look at the slideshow, you can take the template or use your own notes. This class is intentionally set up to give you a choice. Just know you are responsible for whatever you choose. Each lecture will come with a survey asking for comments and questions by you. In order to make this even semi-successful, I'm going to need feedback. Then we can come together over Zoom to talk more about whatever it is that we're discussing that week. I love these subjects and I love seeing your voices grow. And the best part of this format is you can refer back to it whenever you like. So thank you for watching. Godspeed.